Right now, we are talking about 16.2, table 16.2, image formed by convex lens, in which we see if the position of an object between optical center and focus, then the position of image is on the same side of the object, and the nature of object is virtual, erect and magnified. If the position of an object between focus and f and 2f, then the position of image is beyond 2f and it is real, inverted and magnified. If the position of an object at 2f, the position of image is at 2f and the nature of image is real, inverted and same size. If the position of an object beyond 2f, the position of image between f and 2f and the nature of image is real, inverted and diamond sized. Okay, now let us see what we will find at. We are in page number 193. When the object is far away from the lens, the image is real and inverted. As the object is brought closer to the lens, the image becomes bigger and moves further away from the lens. When an object is very close to lens, the image can be no longer be formed on the screen. However, an erect, magnified and virtual image can be seen looking through the lenses. It can be same side as the object. The position of an object is used when the convex lens used as a magnifying glass, and table 16.2 summarize the position, nature and the image of the different object. Okay, so table 16.2 refer for a convex mirror and table 16.1 refer 16.2 for convex lens and 16.1 refer for plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. One thing that I want to tell you, please remember table 16.1 and 16.2. Okay, now the last topic of this chapter is the spectrum. Let us talk about spectrum. What is spectrum? Sir Isaac Newton, a great scientist who lived in 17th century, was the first to show that ordinary white light is made up of 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red in the order of VIBGYOR. Okay, and the pattern formed by those colors is known as spectrum. So Isaac Newton gives idea that every white light is made up of 7 colors. I repeat, what are these 7 colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, and the pattern formed by these colors is known as spectrum. When the sun shines through water droplet in the air after it rains or near a waterfall, it get split into these different colors, and how we can see rainbow. Rainbow is formed. Okay, this is rainbow. A diamond cut in a special way can also produce a spectrum. Soap bubbles appears colorful because their thin surface split light into different colors when light is reflected by a compact disc. Several colors can be seen for the same reason. Newton showed that a triangular piece of glass called a prism can produce a spectrum. He allowed a thin beam of light to fall on a prism in a dark room. After passing through the prism, the beam is split into it in a different colors, and a spectrum was seen on the screen. kept behind the prism. You can see if you put white color into prism, after which after refraction these all white colors are converted into 7 color. Okay, how we can see a prism form a spectrum. Okay, after passing through prism, a beam is split into different colors and a spectrum was seen on the screen kept behind the prism. Figure 16.23 show it. You can perform a simple experiment to see that white light is made up of 7 colors of the rainbow. Let us produce it, make a mixture of 7 colors. Okay, so you need to take a circular piece of cardboard and paste white paper on it, paint band on 7 colors like this way. Okay, 7 color on it, put pencil on it and just turn it. Okay, pencil through the center of the cardboard and make top spin the top rapidly. When the top is moving rapidly, you cannot see the different colors separately. Instead, you will see the card appears grayish white. So by this experiment we can show that the white light is made up of 7 color. Okay, I hope you understand this chapter. Okay, now we need to summarize this chapter with the help of concept map. In this chapter we talk about light, how light form images of object, whether it is real or virtual. Okay, image of object formed by plane mirror, a spherical mirror. Okay, image formed by plane mirror are virtual, erect, same size of an object as much as behind mirror as object is front and laterally inverted. Okay, and a spherical mirror or are of two types, convex mirror and concave mirror. Convex mirror formed always diamond-sized, erect and virtual image, and concave mirror formed virtual, erect, magnified image when object placed between focus and pole, and image formed between focus and pole. Okay, if object placed between F and C, focus and center of curvature, then image formed beyond C. If object placed beyond C, image formed between focus and center of curvature, that you can also observe or you can also see in table 16.1 and 16.2. Please make the notes of this chapter, read this chapter carefully, remember each and every important terms whatever I taught you, and please draw this table 16.1 and 16.2 in your copy and remember it carefully. Okay, thank you. In next lecture we will start new chapter. For today, thank you.